Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Wednesday, February the 27th, 2019. And today, in our Tech News Update, well, we have Facebook last year that talked about a tool that would help us remove some of the information that Facebook knows about you, and third-party apps might actually also know about you. Well, that tool we learned today that which is a clear history tool or feature will roll out late 2019. It's late, but it will be there. They say that it will be towards the end of this year and will help you erase data from the past from Facebook and from external apps. Well, yesterday a Windows 10 Insider Preview build 18346 was released for the fast ring. My review is there now on the channel. And also, if you're an Xbox Insider, you also enjoyed a new Insider Preview for Xbox yesterday, and it added more Alexa voice commands. On the Windows 10 Insider Preview, nothing new, but we are taking a look at some of the new features coming up in April 2019 update. Well, this is a interesting screenshot. A Microsoft employee yesterday leaked the icon for the Edge Chromium that they were working on. So the new design of the Edge browser logo with Chromium engine, and also that maybe we are going to see an insider preview of Edge Chromium soon. FedEx is now going to use autonomous robots for delivery, and they will look something like this apparently. It has unveiled a set of robots, and it plans to start using them in different US cities this summer. So if you see a little robot, you might actually know that they started the autonomous delivery project. Apple, according to leaked documents, has been working on foldable phones for some time, but they're just not ready. Apparently, it has different technological problems that it needs to overcome, but also the fact that it still hasn't found the wow factor, if you want, that way of doing a foldable phone that will actually be very cool. Well, crypto mining software and malware is one of the biggest problems right now, and some of them are very difficult to actually detect from within other apps or software. Well, Intel and SentinelOne have announced a new method to detect cryptocurrency miners in software and apps, and apparently it is very, very good at detecting it. So this might actually be something useful in the near future. We haven't talked about quantum computing for quite a while, and it was one of those things that they talked about, I believe, way back in 2017, and 2018 went by with not much information about quantum computing. Well, there's some news about it, and apparently we've got it wrong. Apparently the actual way of doing it is not how we are actually working, or most projects are working on, but a series of ions might be better, apparently, to outperform standard models. Why? I have no idea, because this is one of those concepts that's very, very bizarre, but apparently it's going to be very, very powerful. When asked about the most important threat to their infrastructure, most of the IT leaders say that they actually fear cyber attacks from ex-employees much more than any other types of cyber attacks that they could actually have on their infrastructure. So it seems that when employees go away, they are a possible threat. Study looking at the artificial intelligence and machine learning for cybersecurity, it seems that maybe it's not all that it's up to. We've been, hearing a lot about AI and machine learning as one of the ways to really detect, and a very powerful way to detect malware and to detect cyber attacks. But the study looking at it says that we're in reality pretty much at the beginning of all of this, and AI and machine learning is still not that powerful to detect the threats. And finally, the Galaxy Fold phone. It seems that Samsung is not going to do and is not making a lot of them. It would seem that they already know that this will probably not sell that much. And not just that, they've actually opened up a special program of warranty because, yeah, these are new devices. They're not totally sure. So apparently, anyone that will buy one will actually have extra care that will be provided so that they can actually follow how this will hold over the months and years of usage. So maybe there's not going to be a lot of them right from the start. And this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, February 27th, 2019. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.